Hello students, today we are going to start the Python practicals for class 11 subject computer science 083. So here we are beginning with the first practical. In this practical we are going to see how can we take the input from the user, and we will take the input and then we will display whatever we have taken the input from the user. So let's get started. As usual, for this is the first lecture, so I am just telling what will be the flow of the lecture. First we will discuss the problem statement in detail. Then second part of the video we are going to discuss the steps to solve this problem, solve a problem, or we can say we will write algorithm. In third phase we will write Python code, and then we will execute in some Python editor. Currently I am using the Python editor, and that is Spider. You can search on Google, download it, and you may install it on Windows, Mac operating system, or Linux operating system. Okay, so this is the basically flow that I am going to use for your all your practicals. So let's get started with problem statement. So the problem statement is that you need to take a welcome message in input from the user. Okay, user means end user, and then we need to display it. So this is the basically problem. Now to solve this problem, what we need to do, first we need to understand what is string. I think if you are watching this practical, you may know what is string. Set of characters is known as string. Let's suppose in Python how we write these strings. We write like this. We start with double quotes. We write like this is hello. So this is a string. If you don't know, then I am just telling. You can wrap it in single quote also, like this. This is also a string. If the string is multi-line, you can use triple double quotes. Just say hello. This is demo string, like this. So if you want to enclose a multi-line string, you may use single triple quotes or single double quotes. Okay, so these are the basically four ways by which multi-line string, like this. These are the four ways in Python you can represent any string. So what we need to do here, let's suppose I am writing a statement. Let's suppose I am writing name equals to Mohit. Let's suppose this is the string I am creating. So in this string what we are doing, we are creating a string using double quotes, and then we are assigning this string into variable name. So how the memory mapping will be done? Name is a variable that is pointing to some string hello, like this. Okay, whenever you will print name, whenever you write like this print name, it will print the hello on your console or wherever you are running this. So this is like this string works. Okay, Now in this particular case of example, we are assigning the string manually assigning the string. Manually means we are giving the value of the variable name with the string Mohit in code itself. Okay, we will see in practical while we are using the code editor. I will show you that how we can assign this particular string into a some variable in a Python code itself. Okay, this is the way manually assigning string to variable. Okay, now in this particular problem, what he is trying to get this string. Let's suppose he is trying to get a string from user. We are not going to write the string value directly into the program like we have done here, but what we know, user से अपने को string लेनी है. We need to get a string from user and then we will assign it into some variable. Okay, then we will assign into some variable. Okay, so this is the thing we need to do in this particular Python program. Okay, so this is a particular problem that we want to address using this program. So let me discuss the step by step how we will write the program. Okay, so let me rough it and we will discuss the steps now. First, what we will do, we will take the input from the user using input method. If you don't know, to take the input from the user in Python, we use the input method. By default, it will take input as a string. Okay, then what we will do, we will assign the input taken using input method in some variable. Okay, and in last step, what we will do, we will print the value which we have taken from user using print method. I hope you know what is the print method. Print method is basically to display the value of any variable on the console, and similarly input method is basically used to take the input from the user. So these are the steps we will follow. Now I am going to discuss the Python code for the same, then we will go and practice in editor. So I am here writing the Python code. So first what we will do, we will create a variable like we want to take the greeting message. So I am taking this variable greeting underscore message. The name of the variable can be anything, but I am taking it relevant, so it could be readable. Using input method, what you can do, you can take the input. Whatever you will write here in input method will be displayed on console. Like I want to show the message, enter the greeting message. Then what will happen, this particular message will be displayed to the user while he will enter. So he will see that enter the greeting message, then he will type the greeting message and press the enter. As soon as it enter, the value whatever the user has entered will come into this variable greeting message. Now in second line, what we will do, we will print this greeting message simply. print this greeting underscore message. The variable name should be same, keep this in mind. If you are using the here message only, then you should write here message only. Okay, so whatever variable name you are going to use, you should write it here, otherwise it will give a error. Okay, so this is the simple program of 2 line to get the greetings from the user and print on the screen. So now I am going to, let's suppose I am executing this program, I am running this program, then what will happen? First this line will be, let's suppose I am running this program, this is the console and I am running this program, then what will happen? First line will be enter the greeting message, this will be displayed to user, greeting message. Then let's suppose he has entered this will blink, cursor will blink here and he will enter welcome to Python programming, like this he have typed, and here just press enter, this symbol is used for enter, just press the enter, then what will be displayed on the screen? This simple message will be displayed, whatever he will type, it will be displayed. Then what he typed welcome to Python programming, same will be displayed here. Okay, so this is how it will work. Now I am going to the editor and we will type this Python code and see how it works. Okay, so now I am just going to my editor. Now what you will do here, whatever we have written, understood, we will type this. Let's suppose I am creating a variable, getting message to hold the input entered by user. Input method is basically you to enter, this will be displayed on console, enter the welcome message like this, or we can say greeting message, whatever you want you can write here. Okay, then it will be displayed on console, then you will print this to display the greeting message, the message you entered is, and then you can show him what he has entered, greeting underscore message like this. Okay, so this is the program. I am saving it. To run this, I will click on this run button, just click on this on the console. What displayed? Whatever we have here, let me show you, whatever we have written in this input method in single quotes will be displayed on the console while we are running this program. So this is the message that will be displayed to the user because of this line. So we have passed the argument into the input method, this message will be displayed while this line will be executed, and this message is asking that what kind of input user need to enter. So we are asking that enter the welcome message, and welcome is spelling mistake, so you can correct it. So now I am entering the welcome message. I am going to enter, let's suppose, welcome to Python programming. I am entering like this, bang bang. Now I am going to enter and it will display. So see here it is, you can see whatever the message you have entered is displayed as it is, and then whatever we have typed here like this is displayed as it is. So this is the basic Python program to take the input from the user and then simply print on the screen in case of string. For getting the integer and float, other things we will do in a separate video, because in your CBSE syllabus it is mentioned that first practical is to get the string as an input from user and display it on the console. Okay, that's all. Thank you. See you.